We love a good cruise vacation. It's so relaxing, but if you forget something, it can also be very expensive to buy it. So here are some things we try to always remember. I love to bring my own water container. A reusable water container is so convenient, especially for shore excursions or to have bedside in your stateroom. If you're going to bring this though, make sure you also pack a little bit of dish soap so you can wash your container regularly. And speaking of soap, I always pack a small container of liquid hand soap. Some of the newer ships have liquid hand soap in the bathrooms, but a lot of ships still have the bar soap. I'm not a fan. Cruise cabins are very dark, especially at night, and all the time if you have an inside stateroom. So we always pack a couple of battery-operated night lights. I just pick these up at the dollar store, and that way we're not bumping into anything in the middle of the night. Cabins are also pretty small, so I always pack some kind of room air freshener. That way you don't get any wonky smells from the bathroom permeating the rest of your room. We love to pack some fun small games. Some ships still have libraries where you can borrow books and small games, but a lot of ships no longer have those. I love these cell phone waterproof cases. It keeps your cell phone completely dry so you can use it while you're swimming. It also keeps the sand away from your phone while you're at the beach. Speaking of the beach, we always pack water shoes. You never know what kind of beach you will be getting, and a lot of beaches can be really rocky. We always bring a fold-up clothes hamper to store our dirty laundry in. This just folds flat, and you can get them on Amazon, but you can also get them at the dollar store for just $1.25. Cruise ships are really cracking down on bringing extra outlets, even if they don't have a surge protector built in. However, we've never had any issues bringing this power bank. There are so few power outlets in your cruise stateroom, and if you have multiple electronics to charge, like your phone, your watch, your iPad, your earbuds, you can run out of outlets fast. One of these power banks comes with multiple USB outlets and uses just one plug. We always pack a small travel size umbrella and disposable rain ponchos no matter where we're going. We found that in the Caribbean, rainstorms just randomly pop up, and while they don't last long, they will gift you with a lot of rain. I always pack this little traveling pharmacy. I'll post an updated video on what's inside this soon. Yes, you can get medication on board the ship, but it is expensive. So I just packed this little kit, and we have literally used it on every single cruise. In the comments, let everyone know what you feel like is an essential item to pack for a cruise. Thanks for watching.